ECDL Advanced, Word, Lesson 55, Creating a Subdocument. Before we start Lesson 55, please remember, as I mentioned in the last lesson, you need to have done Lesson 54, Creating a Master Document. Once you've finished that, you will have a Word document similar to the one that I've got on the screen. Okay, so let's start. A subdocument is created and saved in the same way as a normal document. Once a subdocument is inserted or created in a master document, the two documents are linked. This allows the subdocument to be opened and changed individually or through the master document. A master document can also help members of a work group to create and update parts of a long document. So, with the insertion point still at the end of the Chapter 1 text, click the Show Document button. This adds extra buttons to the master document group. Click Create. This places the chapter heading inside a grey outline defining the subdocument. Save the document as My Book. The subdocument will automatically be saved as a separate document, Chapter 1. Click Collapse Subdocuments in the Master Document group. The subdocument is displayed as a link to the new file. For example, the file path as shown here. Move the pointer over the link, hold the Control button down and click once to open the subdocument in a new window. So now we have open the subdocument Chapter 1. Underneath the title, enter the text, I was born in the early summer of 2003. Next, save this subdocument and then close it. This returns us back to the master document. Next, click Expand Subdocuments. We'll now see that the text entered in the fifth step is now displayed. Now text can also be entered here. Click beside the last text entry icon, that's here, and enter Chapter 2. Make this a subdocument by clicking Create. Click once below the title Chapter 2 to place the cursor. Note that the outline level is body text. Enter the text, I went to school at, and then the name of the school you went to. Next, click the Save button to save My Book. Collapse the subdocuments using the Collapse Subdocuments button. The master document appears like this with the two different file paths. Subdocuments in this state are locked, i.e. not able to be modified. Notice the subdocument locks, indicating that both of these subdocuments cannot be changed. If we click on Expand Subdocuments, the locks are opened and modification is allowed. With the cursor in Chapter 1, click Lock Document. The subdocument is locked and no changes can be made. Click Lock Document again to open it. If we click on Show Document to switch it off, we'll be able to see where the section breaks occur. Note that they're before and after each of the subdocuments. Section breaks were covered in a previous lesson. Click Show Document again. Select the File tab and then select Print to see a preview of the master document. Return to the document using the Back button. Make sure the Outlining tab is selected again, and then leave My Book open for the next lesson. Okay, I look forward to seeing you for the next part.